Former Free State Premier Ace Magashule's ex-personal assistant is not showing any signs of backing down in her battle with the National Prosecuting Authority. Moroadi Cholota told the Bloemfontein High Court that she was ambushed and intimidated by the South African officials during her extradition process from the United States of America.
Why was there a need for the FBI to come to her door? 3 men, 1 woman. That was common cause too. And they just could not answer, my lord. The version we placed before this court is that it was for intimidation purposes. Because if any person is watching what is happening in the United States right now, even 1 agent at your door would put you in a state of terror. How much more 4 in a state that you are not a citizen of? 4 FBI agents, unannounced, come to your house. And in the letter, in the correspondence with the senior state prosecutor, she had already recorded that she does not feel safe. She stated that to the senior prosecutor, and the witness confirmed that he was copied in that correspondence, and so we know that that correspondence is accurate. She stated there, I do not feel safe anymore. What is happening? Especially because the FBI already visited me. So what the state knew at that time was that Ms. Cholota, being a student in the United States, was frightened.
Cholota's legal team says South African authorities manipulated their counterparts in the US.
First of all, that the state lied and misrepresented to U.S. authorities that there was reasonable and probable cause for the charges against Ms. Cholota. The second is that the state lied to and misrepresented to U.S. authorities that Ms. Cholota was a fugitive from justice. And the third is that the state lied to or misrepresented to U.S. authorities that Ms. Cholota was a flight risk with connections in Kenya. And the final one, which does not appear in the table of contents, but it was that Ms. Cholota was part of, or rather the claim that the state made to U.S. authorities that Ms. Cholota was part of a syndicate facilitating kickbacks on behalf of Mr. Ignatius Mbambane.
The National Prosecuting Authority denies any wrongdoing. It says its focus now is getting to the main trial.
There was therefore no need for us to rehash our arguments. The record speaks for itself. The allegations that they had made on her ill treatment had been refuted on record. And all that we expect now on the 18th of February is for Lopsha to dismiss the special plea so that the trial can resume. And obviously we'll see what plea they can present when the trial resumes. It is important because we consider her as an integral part of the main trial in respect of which other accused are facing. And therefore, this part of the proceedings needs to be concluded for that main trial to resume. Remember, they've all pleaded. That means the trial has started officially.
Judgment on the matter will be delivered on the 18th of February 2026. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ziniko Mhlaba in Bloemfontein.